This is a question about exports from an economy and what impact it will have if they are exporting less. It says here, between 2010 and 2016, Indonesia recorded a 44.4% fall in the value of its exports. This resulted from a decrease in the demand for Indonesian clothing. Ceteris paribus, so everything else staying the same, which one of the following is likely to result from this situation? So what's this going to cause to happen? So the value of their exports has gone down, and what's this going to cause to happen in the economy? Remember, the value of your exports, you're looking at the price of your exports multiplied by the quantity of your exports. And in this case, they're saying that the quantity of their exports, the quantity being demanded of clothing, has gone down. So overall, the value's gone down. So we'll just put that there to remind ourselves. And these are the things they're looking at, are the rate of unemployment and the rate of inflation. Remember that aggregate demand is made up of consumption plus investment plus government spending plus exports minus imports, or net exports. The thing that we know that has changed here is that the value of their exports has gone down. And that's what this figure is here. So this has gone down. And we're assuming ceteris paribus. So we're assuming all of the other factors within aggregate demand are staying exactly the same. So therefore, if this number goes down, it's going to be smaller, and you're going to be adding on a smaller number at the end because this one's going to be smaller. And if you're adding on a smaller number at the end, if everything else stays the same, overall aggregate demand is going to go down. And to show that on an ADAS diagram to help you, you would have a shift to the left. Remember, left is less. So AD will go to AD1. And this will cause the equilibrium price level and real output to fall from Y to Y1 here. Output will fall. And also the price level will fall from P to P1. So overall real output is lower and the price level is lower. It will depend where you draw your initial equilibrium and where it shifts to. But the general pattern definitely is that real output is going to go down anyway, and you're going to have a lower price level to some extent. So we can see now, we want to know what's the likely result. We can see here an illustration of what's going on. So the rate of unemployment. Now, if we go from output at Y to output at Y1, we know that output has gone down. If output goes down, they don't need as many workers, and therefore unemployment will go up. So rate of unemployment, it needs to be rising. So it can't be this one, it can't be this one. It must be one of these two. Then looking at the rate of inflation, the price level is definitely coming down. The only other possible thing would it be staying the same, but the price level is not going to go up. So we need to see the price level coming down, rate of inflation decreasing. So it's this one here. So the rate of unemployment is going up, the rate of inflation is falling. You can see in mine actually there is deflation, and therefore the answer is D.